Hi guys, it's me Avery again. I'm going to be doing more eyeshadow with this makeup. And I'm going to use this color and this color. Ignore that. I'm going to clean that up with makeup wipes later today. But anyway, let's get to it. Stay tuned for the next video. There's going to be a new video. Okay, so I'm doing the light blue and this color. Ooh. Yeah. Do this. Do that. And then I'm gonna do the light blue. I'm gonna do the light blue and the color that I did last time. That looks way better. Oh. If you're asking how I got so good at makeup, my mom taught me how to do it. I had performances at church, so yeah. Bye.